Last month, the Drug Enforcement Administration has been warning that fentanyl is sometimes packaged as rainbow pills to make them more attractive to children. News 8 Now's Rob Romano joins us now. He spoke with a physician about how to protect your kids. Good evening, Rob.
Good evening, Ken. The head of the DEA says fentanyl that is being sold in colorful forms as pills or other substances is a deliberate effort by drug traffickers to drive addiction among kids and young adults. A Gunderson emergency physician says it's only a matter of time before the trend is seen in La Crosse.
It increases the risk of an accidental overdose by a child.
Emergency medical physician at Gunderson Health, Dr. Crosse says he expects the colorful fentanyl pills that sometimes resemble candy to soon make their way to La Crosse.
It won't be long before it's here. We have seen other pill forms of fentanyl in our area. So it's not a big stretch that they would come in colored forms shortly.
Eberline adds that there's been an uptick in fentanyl being laced with a variety of other drugs because it's easily transferable.
Easily packaged in a variety of other pill forms, different colors. You know, they're mixing it with other substances now. Even marijuana, we're starting to see fentanyl in some of these other substances. So it is important to use, test the substance you're going to use for fentanyl. The fentanyl test strips are available, widely available.
Those I spoke with in La Crosse Tuesday said they're concerned about the trend. A social worker who spoke to us off camera said anyone struggling with addiction needs help facing trauma.
We need to encourage them to overcome their past traumas in order to get over the mountains. If we cared about other people, people would get over what they need to get over.
I asked Eberline about how to prevent kids and young people from developing substance use disorders. He says more education could help.
True prevention, way upstream of an addiction, it does start young. We know that. This has to be a conversation about the risk, age-appropriate risk and age-appropriate education on addiction and the danger of these drugs.
And the DEA says that fentanyl remains the deadliest drug threat facing this country. In 2021, more than 107,000 Americans died of drug overdoses. Ken, back to you.
All right, Rob, thanks very much. There have been 32 suspected drug overdose deaths in La Crosse County so far this year. Those deaths remain under investigation.